Hello everyone, this is Echo from KT Group Limited. We have been specialized in non-woven bag making machine since 2011. Today I'd like to introduce the D-cut bags to everyone. And the reason why it's named D-cut bag mainly depends on the handle part. And the handle part is quite different from others. And we can check that the handle part is like the shape of the big letter D, made by auto puncher, which is used as a shopping bag for easy carrying, right? And also there are two types of D-cut bags. One is the D-cut bag with a bottom gusset. It's just like this one. Yes, this is the D-cut bag with a bottom gusset. And another one is the D-cut bag without bottom gusset. It's just like this. And we can see the bottom is flat and sharp, right? And as we can see that the bottom, D-cut bag with the bottom gusset, it has a larger capacity, right? And it can carry more stuff. And the D-cut bag width is 100 to 800 millimeter. Height is 200 to 580 millimeters. Top gusset is 40 to 80 millimeters. Back bottom gusset is 50 to 100 millimeters. Hole size is 20 plus 80 millimeters. The maximum speed of bag making machine is 120 pieces per minute. If you want more details, please do not hesitate to contact our sales team by email sales@ktgroup.com or visit our website www.ktgroup.com. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. If you are interested in our videos, welcome to subscribe to our channel. Bye!